Today is Will's last day at Dose. You don't want me to say moving and storage, just Dose, right? What was I saying? He's joining the army. He's joining the army and he's heading off to boot camp in a few days. I worked with him for like maybe a month.
Welcome to Moving and Storage, where we're diving into the lives of professional movers. Let's step into their day and see what moves them.
Another dolly?
Oh, another dolly?
Yeah.
Last thing, this way. How's he doing?
He's doing well. He's reliable on information. I mean, he's a solid lifter for sure, but he's pretty detail oriented. What I like about him is he doesn't rush, takes his time, thinks it out, and then acts. And that's pretty nice if we're considering for really.
Yeah, I think it's good because look at the yellow bar, it's straight down there too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You see it here?
Yeah.
Because we deal with things all the time we don't know how to deal with. First step is always just sit down, be calm. How am I not gonna break this thing? How am I gonna, what needs to happen for us to get this done? And I've observed that from him. And that's just calm, stoic decision making.
Greg, thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too, man. You can have a seat. I've talked to some of your peers about how you're doing here.
Yeah.
And everybody sings praises. You're a hard worker, reliable, you're calm under pressure, you think things through. So, crew leader, what do you think about that?
It's a whole different world out here. You should come out and try wrestling. And I was like, all right, I'll try it next year. And I did. I tried it in my 8th grade year. I was terrible, but I liked the drive that they had and just the intensity of it. So it's like Josue here. Like if he loses an arm wrestling thing, you can't blame nobody else. The other guy just out wrestled him, you know.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Because you're gonna fall. It's just how hard are you gonna come back from that fall?
Yeah, professional arm wrestlers. It's crazy, but
You got the arms for it.
they're not too bad. Yeah, one of my friends from my church, he was a professional arm wrestler, and we had an event to bringing people around the church. It was like a little arm wrestling competition, people learning. And I'm giving him my all. He's like, you even trying? I'm like, I am. I'm literally over here giving him my all. But he's like, considering everyone else, you're like one of the strongest. If you take this serious, you could actually go far. And I took his word for it. I started training with him, doing things like that. The cool thing is that my brother also does it with me. So it's kind of like a drive. We both push each other and stuff. We train together. My brother bought a table, so we're more committed and stuff. And then I entered my second tournament, which was in Las Vegas. It was for a fitness expo and the Mr. Olympia, bodybuilding show. I entered in that tournament with both hands, left and right, and I ended up winning both left and right first place. Got cool little belts. I got promoted to pro, so that's pretty awesome. I would have never thought that, but it's been a great blessing for sure.
Well, we should all give him the slap box.
Nah, we'll get into that one.
You don't got the fat neck.
Yeah, I won't get
People to take the I get to go first.
I need the beard. They got beards too. Extra cushion with the beard.
It doesn't even flinch. He blows you a kiss and he's like, it's my turn now.
He's all smiley and stuff.
Yeah.
He's like,
We all think it's really cool that you're doing that, and we want to support you. We want to sponsor you.
Appreciate that.
Here's a hat for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
2 options on shirts. This is a polo. I don't know how you feel about that, and this is just another work shirt.
Yes, sir. That should be it.
All right.
Yes, sir. Thanks so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Today is Will's last day at Dose. He's joining the army and heads off to boot camp in a few days. Will's one of those guys. He's just part of the family.
Watch your fingers. Please don't smash your fingers. Yep. Learn from Steven's mistakes. I smashed the out of mine on the wheel once.
For real?
Yeah. All right, so that wheel's gonna come out. It's gonna be like the center beam for the angle. So just go ahead and walk it out, and it should fall. All right, try to straighten it out.
Careful when going down not to trip on this. That's sketchy.
oh yeah, this is sketchy.
I don't want to go down that way.
Yeah. Let's do it.
As Josue, or Sway as we call him, carries hundreds of pounds of furniture. His heart and mind look ahead to his upcoming, as Josue, or Sway as we call him, carries hundreds of pounds of furniture, his heart and his mind look ahead to his big arm wrestling tournament happening this weekend. Poetry is in the air.
If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you.
If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too.
If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies.
Or being hated, don't give way to hating.
And yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise.
If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim,
If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. If you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools.
Or watch the things you gave your life to, broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools.
If you can make one heap of all your winnings
and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss,
and lose and start again at your beginnings,
and never breathe a word about your loss.
if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you,
except the will which says to them, hold on.
if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue,
or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you,
If all men count with you,
but none too much.
If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run,
yours is the earth and everything that's in it.
and, which is more, you'll be a man, my son.
too easy.
love you, we miss you, dude.
Come here, take care. Do good things. Make us proud.
Proud to be here, you guys. Good to meet all of you. Remember you forever.